Don't say, I don't know. Instead say, I'm not sure. Don't say, I think yes. Instead say, I believe so. Don't say, it's very easy. Instead say, it's simple. Don't say, it's very hard. Instead say, it's challenging. Don't say, very noisy. Instead say, loud. Don't say, I'm very busy. Instead say, I'm swamped. Don't say, very clean. Instead say, spotless. Don't say, very dirty. Instead say, filthy. Don't say, very interesting. Instead say, fascinating. Don't say, very boring. Instead say, dull. Follow English Daily Classroom for daily practice.